Hi, this is Pankaj from Ganpati Zone, and in this video we bring you the latest Google updates plus SEO tips and tricks with which you can enhance your website SEO and boost up your Google rankings. So keep watching. So if you're a business owner or a professional, you don't have time or you don't want to invest some funds initially, or you're not able to hire the right person for your SEO. So this particular video is only for you. With this video, you can step by step optimize Google My Business. Yes, you can optimize Google My Business settings for your business so you get the listing inside the Google search within seconds, and that too for free. So keep watching. So in this channel we bring you the videos in two languages, one in English and Hindi. You can go to our playlist and check for the SEO in Hindi for Hindi videos and SEO in English for English video. The links in the description. So if you are a business owner or a professional, you have started a new venture, you don't have time, or you do not want to invest some funds for the SEO for the Google search, then this video is for you. Yes. So in this video, step-by-step instructions how you can get rankings in the Google search within seconds, and that too for free. So to get started, go to the Google search, type Google My Business. On the top, you might see any AdWords, but on the top, organic results, click on the link, and that is the link of Google My Business. Just click on that link, you will be taken to a page where you have to log in or create an account. You can log in with your Gmail ID. Click on the link, log in, and you will be taken to a page where you have to enter your location, means your business location. That can be from your home also or from your any corporate office. You have to fill in all the information step by step. Keep on clicking on the next, and fill all the instructions which is required for your business. So once you have filled your location information, Google will verify you. Once you are verified, click on your address listings. Then you will be taken to a dashboard where you can create a post like the images post or a video post with the descriptions of your products or services. On the left hand side, you will see the various tabs: info, location, home. These are very important tabs and very easy. Definitely you play with them and you'll come to know what they all mean. So basically in this dashboard, you have to mention about your products, your keywords, your address which you have already mentioned. In this particular listings, you have to give the description, the prices, and your service area. All the links are on the left hand side on this particular dashboard. And one very important tab, and that is the website. With this particular dashboard, with this Google My Business, you get a one-page website, dynamic website with which you can change your themes according to your taste or your business. You can mention your products, descriptions, and you can just register your own domain, because this particular website you will get your domain name plus business site, but you can purchase your domain name from Google from this control panel with a nominal price. So this particular one landing page will be very interactive. Whosoever comes to your page or whatever you post in Google My Business places, images post, video post, all this come on this particular website automatically. So this will be a dynamically changing. So whatever image or video you post in Google My Business places from your dashboards will automatically update in your particular this website. So this will be a very interactive website. Plus definitely this is clubbed with the Google My Business. So definitely it's going to enhance your local rankings plus give a boost to your business initially. So if you have any concerns and questions, please write in the comments and I'll definitely reply to you. Plus, if still you do not have subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, because in this channel I bring you Google updates, the latest Google updates with tips and tricks which enhance and boost your Google rankings. So take care. Bye-bye.